U.S. B-1B Lancer bombers have been stationed at RAF Fairford in the UK as part of ongoing operations against Iran. This deployment aims to counter Iranian missile threats, marking a significant escalation in military readiness. The presence of these bombers underscores the strategic importance of the UK base in supporting U.S. military objectives in the region. In a related development, NATO successfully intercepted an Iranian missile over Turkey. This marks the second interception since the U.S. and Israeli strikes on Iran began, highlighting the ongoing tensions and the critical role of missile defense systems in the region. The interception demonstrates NATO's capability and readiness to respond to missile threats, ensuring the security of its member states. Meanwhile, the U.S. Army is deploying the Merops counter-drone system in the Middle East to combat Iranian Shahed drones. This system, which has proven effective in Ukraine, provides a cost-efficient solution to neutralize drone threats that could overwhelm traditional missile defenses. The deployment of Merops signifies a strategic shift towards more agile and adaptable defense technologies in response to evolving threats. China's decision to increase its defense budget by 7% to approximately $277 billion reflects its strategic priorities amid leadership changes. This budget boost is expected to enhance China's military capabilities and influence, potentially affecting global defense markets. The increase in spending may lead to heightened demand for defense technologies and equipment, impacting international defense contractors. Lockheed Martin, ticker symbol LMT, is ramping up its munitions production to meet the rising demand driven by conflicts in the Middle East. The company's efforts to quadruple production capacity highlight the increased need for munitions in ongoing military operations. Despite a 1.13% drop in its stock price to $664.15, Lockheed Martin's strategic positioning in the defense supply chain remains strong. Turning to the markets, AeroVironment, ticker symbol AVAV, saw its stock decline by 1.09% to $227.29. The U.S. Army's procurement of small FPV strike drones, while adjacent to AeroVironment's operations, has not yet translated into direct contract wins for the company. Investors are cautiously awaiting further developments that could positively impact AeroVironment's market position. Kratos Defense and Security Solutions, ticker symbol KTOS, experienced a significant stock increase of 6.29% to $92.47. This surge is attributed to the U.S. Army's deployment of the Merops counter-drone system, which Kratos is involved in. The positive contract flow and the system's success in Ukraine have bolstered investor confidence in Kratos' future prospects. Northrop Grumman, ticker symbol NOC, is advancing its role in the U.S. Space Force's Deep Space Advanced Radar Capability (DARC) program. Despite a 1.16% decrease in its stock price to $747.34, the company's involvement in enhancing space situational awareness positions it well for future growth in the space defense sector. The DARC program is crucial for monitoring satellites and spacecraft globally, reinforcing Northrop Grumman's strategic importance. RTX, ticker symbol RTX, has secured significant contracts with DARPA and the German Armed Forces, contributing to a 0.73% decline in its stock price to $208.23. These contracts underscore RTX's role in advancing defense technologies, particularly in optics and sensing capabilities. The company's strategic wins highlight its potential for long-term growth in the defense sector. For investors, today's actionable takeaways. 1. Monitor defense stocks for opportunities from increased Asian defense budgets. 2. Watch Kratos for further gains from counter-drone system deployments. 3. Follow Northrop Grumman's space initiatives for long-term growth potential.